Morning, morning. Hello. You guys miss me? Happy Monday. Hello, hello. Morning, buenos días. Buenos días. How's everyone doing? Hopefully you guys didn't blow up too many accounts while I was away. It was a difficult, it wasn't an easy week last week. Only 45? Okay. Yeah, I had a very good vacation. Little vacation. But I think I should have taken this week as my vacation week instead of last week, because this week is not a week that I want to trade, to be honest. This week, it's gonna be crazy. Very choppy. Very, very choppy. Most likely, we're gonna have a crazy move out of nowhere. So, my recommendation for this week, it's especially for today, tomorrow, and Thursday, is not to trade. It's not to trade, honestly. Or just be in and out fast. It doesn't matter if you make $50, $100, $200. I don't think this week is for trading. Especially today, tomorrow, and Thursday. We have FOMC on Thursday. Yeah, definitely keeping it light. Okay, only one account blow up. Not bad. I was waiting more for like answer like no, I didn't blow any account. I make a lot of money. Yeah, daily profit for this week is 0. 0 is not losing anything. Well, I never have like a daily profit. I don't have a weekly or a monthly profit target. My idea is just to trade good setups. That's it. That's it. And I had a huge month in October. Honestly, I'm having a very good month the last 3 months. August was over 100k, September was over 200k, October was over 300k. So, and December is not my month. I'm gonna be honest with you guys. December, I don't like how the market move in December. Okay, the market is open. Din din din. Do we have any data today? Like before 10 a.m.? I already can see how we're moving fast. Yeah, we're moving fast already. Apple, Nvidia, crazy weeks on Meta. No data? Okay, awesome. Thank you guys. I like this hold here on SPY. 570 hold. This could be kind of flag on the 30-minute time frame here, but who knows? It's too early for me to take any trade. Any trades. Q definitely weaker than SPY. Clear rejection of the VWAP there. Same thing with SPY, rejecting the VWAP. Meta, ugly candle, big candle Meta. Why? Do we have any info, any news on Meta? Looks like it. Apple, Microsoft, and Meta. Yeah. Big move here. The Q definitely very weak. Rejected 487.50. Rejected the VWAP. Big move. Big candles on Microsoft and Meta. Nvidia wicks to both sides, but it's definitely rejecting Friday high, which is important level. Let's be, I'm gonna be very patient here. I'm gonna be very, very patient today. So far, I like this rejection here on the Q. We have SPY and the Q both have gaps above. I'm gonna trade right now with with APEX. Today I'm gonna trade with APEX, my funded futures, and I have a few Tradeify accounts. Yeah, I'm gonna see if I can find 3 different quick scalp trades for one for each prop, pretty much. Okay, so we have the Q near Friday's low, but I think the main level will be Thursday low. And we have SPY right here at support around 570. Tech very weak. Let's see if SPY can hold around here. This is an important support for SPY. We have Microsoft bouncing out of Thursday low. Nvidia kinda holding. Apple holding, but it's looking weak. Meta bouncing, trying to hold 560. Apple rejecting the VWAP, which is no bueno. Ooh, SPY losing 570. The market's very, very, very weak. 584 is the next big support on the Q. Yeah, let's see how the Q reacts there. That's the next important level for the Q. I'm sorry, 484. And ES Friday and Thursday low. If the Q loses 488, it's done so. 484, I'm sorry, 484. Look at that weak that bounce on Nvidia. Nice bounce also on Meta. Microsoft fighting Thursday low. And Apple is very, very weak. Apple, if cannot hold Friday's low, which is under Friday's low right now, that thing is gonna die. 217.50 is the next big support that I see on Apple if cannot hold Friday's low. Okay, nice bounce here on the Q, 484. Let's see if we can have a trade there. If I see SPY holding above the VWAP, I'm gonna go long. A rejection of 570 on a SPY will be very bearish. Nasdaq holding 20,000, which is a key level. Same thing with 484 on the Q. Let's see if Nvidia can break the VWAP and then needs to break morning high. I like this bounce on Meta. Meta is right at a very important level that needs to hold. 561, 562, important level here for Meta. We have Nvidia rejecting the VWAP, which is very bearish. I really want to see SPY breaking the VWAP and acting as support. That would be extremely bullish. Watching the VWAP here on SPY, I think that's my trade. Either if it breaks the VWAP and act as support, or if we see an ugly rejection. So it's gonna be to either side. I kind of like more the upside because futures like ES and NQ are right at support. But we'll see because the market's been very weak the past few days. Okay, I like that move. Let's see if the SPY is really gonna hold the VWAP. And if that happens, again, I'm going long there. But I want to see a clear hold. Another trade would be if we see the Q breaking or rejecting 488. Nice move on Nvidia. If Nvidia can hold Friday's today's high, morning high, it's pretty bullish. Nice move on the Q. Nice move on Meta, Microsoft, Nvidia. Apple trying to break the VWAP. Okay, I'm going long here. Yep. I took it with micros. Okay, I like that. I really like these downtrend here. If we can see a break of that downtrend, it could be a flag. We'll see. We need SPY to break this high now. Let me check this out so you guys can see it. We need to break this high, morning high here. And 488 is the key resistance level that the Q needs to break. I want to see Nvidia holding morning high. And I want to see SPY holding the VWAP. I like this Apple move. Don't like that Nvidia move. I like this hold. Okay, I'm gonna start looking some profits here because again, I don't know how the market's gonna move today. I don't have too much trust on the market today. I'm selling a little bit more there. Okay, I like that. I definitely like that move. But again, we need to break this high here on SPY. I like that hold on Nvidia. I like that hold on Meta. We need Apple to wake up and really hold the VWAP. So far, it's above the VWAP, but it's not looking too strong. We need that this 5-minute candle look closing strong on Apple like that, like right now. Nice hold on Nvidia. Very nice hold. I think it's better here is to wait until we see a strong break here of this high on SPY, and then maybe enter more. Yeah, wait to see how a SPY is gonna, if it's really gonna break this high or not, and that will be another entry to play the upside. Nice Apple move. I like this Apple move. But SPY is having a lot of trouble here with Apple moving higher. Okay, if we lose the VWAP, I'll be all out. Okay, I'm all out. Little trade here. So basically we're holding this support and rejecting this high. So we gotta wait and see if we're really gonna break this high, or if we go under the VWAP and reject here, we'll see. So we have these two little supports, 570 and then we have this low here. And 488, it's the big level that I see on the queue. Nvidia having a lot of trouble at morning high, which is pretty much Friday high. Nice move on Apple. SMCI, no idea. Apple moving higher, everything else moving lower. We most likely have a day that the market doesn't do anything. It wouldn't surprise me if we have just a chop fest the entire day because the market is waiting for tomorrow. I think I should have definitely been all out here at this high. I knew I could not trust the market today. Ugly reaction on Apple. But we have nothing pretty much. Not much happening. SPY needs to break that high for a real move to the upside. Look at Apple. Apple definitely wants to go boom boom. That was a beautiful 220 hold on Apple. Very important psychological level. Nvidia still reacting. Friday high. Meta having trouble around Friday's low. If the Q loses the VWAP, most likely it's gonna go down to 484. I'm sorry. Let's see if Nvidia is really gonna lose the VWAP this time. I think if that happens, we're gonna go to 133. Okay, let's see if Apple's sorry, SPY is gonna break here. Break out here. Or we're gonna have another reaction. Apple very strong. This is so boring. I think tomorrow is gonna be worse than today. Unless we have a breakout here on SPY. This is just gonna chop around. Come on, SPY, do something. Breakout. Okay, I like that. Ugly reaction. Nvidia looking pretty weak. Hey Sammy, how are you? Nvidia not looking good. I'm gonna go short here on ES. My stop loss is gonna be this high. Let's see. I think it's gonna stop me out. Let's see. Yeah, I don't like it. We're not really holding, but also it's not really reacting. But this 30-minute candle on SPY is looking pretty bullish. The daily also looking pretty bullish so far. And Apple is crazy strong. Nvidia very weak. Yeah, selling a spread could be a good move. Nice move. I like this meta hold. Meta is looking pretty good. But do I wanna risk my money today and tomorrow? Because I like this meta hold for more upside. Okay, SPY is looking better. Or not. Another possible reaction here of this high. But do we trust the reaction on SPY? Okay, SPY looking better here. Let's see if this breakout is real. I definitely like how the 30-minute candles are looking on SPY. But again, do we trust this move today? Another ugly reaction. Look at Apple. Apple is going up non-stop. It's the only thing that is really moving. Ooh, IWM very strong. Another ugly reaction here. 488. The next level that I see for the Q. I kind of wanted to see the Q a little bit higher, but it's already rejecting there. Meta looking pretty good, but I don't think I'm gonna trade any options today and tomorrow. Let me see how is the IV on Meta. We might have like high IB for everything this week. Oh no, 43%. I got 565 for Meta this week. It's a high risk trade. If I get a move to 570, I'm sorry, I got the 570, not the 565. Wait. 565. I'm looking for a move to 560. At least. This is so boring. Come on, Spy, do something. Do something. If I'm looking for a move to 570, is it a short or is it a long play on Meta? Nvidia looking weak again. IWM crazy strong. That was a beautiful hold of 218. Yeah, everything looking all kind of things. Like the risk to reward to short here is pretty good, but look at this candle. The SPY is just not wanted to go lower. Like when I entered to short here, I was just looking for a retest of the VWAP. It didn't happen. It might happen here with Nvidia looking so weak, but I don't know. Apple is holding very good. It's looking like it wants more upside. Nvidia looks like it wants to go to today's low again. Looking pretty weak. But SPY and the Q are not really moving. Okay, nice bounce here on SPY. Are we gonna have any continuation? Okay, we're looking way better now. $488 on the Q. Another reaction. If we have nothing at 11, I'm getting out of here. Intel? I don't know, I haven't checked that one. I don't care what Intel does as long as it holds above 21, to be honest. That's why I have lips options for that one. Okay, 488 here on the queue. I'm going short here on the queue. Let's see, my stop loss is gonna be this little high. Okay, I'm all out. I'm done. All out. We're green. We are green. In fact, I kind of like it for more. I like that reaction there. I like that reaction there, but I'm good. We're back to green. Okay, let's see if he breaks this high and hold it as support. That's extremely bullish. And we can expect more upside. Meta is looking pretty good. Nice break of 488. Nice Nvidia hold. Beautiful Meta. Meta is looking pretty good. Nice breakout on SPY. Bum, 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 bum. Very strong breakout here. Finally, we have a move. Awesome. So now what do? We waiting for pullbacks to previous resistance. Now we want to see it acting as support, and that's our entry. That's the next trade. Doesn't matter if you want to trade SPY in the queue. Both looking pretty much the same. So we just wait for pullbacks. If we see it holding, we go long. Those are the next possible trades. Looking back, I always like to do this. If we look back, we can see how both SPY and the Q held very good support, like right at open. 570 for SPY. That was Thursday low, and 484 on the Q. And we have after touching those two strong support, we have very bullish candlesticks, and then both held the VWAP pretty much the entire morning. So yeah, I made money, or I went back to green doing a short. But that's why I did it very fast. The trade today, I think, is going long at support. The market keeps making today higher lows and higher highs and holding support and the VWAP. It's choppy, it's slow, but it's going higher. So I think the type of trade that I did here, I don't really recommend it to anyone unless you've been doing this for a very long time, because I was going against the trend, but I know how to handle that, and I'm okay risking it, and I was okay if I was gonna be red. I am chill. I'm very chill today after a week long vacation. In fact, I came back yesterday and I was already thinking on taking another vacation this week. Or maybe next week? I don't know. I got invited to another week-long holiday on the 5th, but that's pretty much tomorrow. I don't think I'm gonna do it. Because I tried doing on Monday, I didn't try to do a live stream. I tried to screen record my trade, and my Wi-Fi went off. It was not working, so I couldn't do any stream. I couldn't even film my record my own trades. And I need a very good internet when I do streams. It gets very heavy. Okay, let's see if 488 is gonna hold here. And 571.50 on SPY. Any bets on who's gonna win the elections? I'm gonna go long here on the queue. Only with small size with micros. My stop loss is gonna be if cannot hold this little low. The Trump guy? Me too. Hoping for DJT. I don't politics when I'm trading. Okay. Okay, we're looking good. We are looking good so far. I took that trade also with my funded futures. With 3 accounts that I have with them. The 25k straight to funded accounts. Let's see if it works out. We need to hold here. The Q needs to hold here for this trade to work out. Needs to hold this little support level. I think if SPY and the Q can really hold here, we're gonna see a retest of Friday high. If we break that, then it's Thursday high. And then we have the gap above on both the SPY and the Q. Yeah, IWM was definitely very, very clean. Very clean. Extremely clean. Why IWM moves so much to the upside today? Very strong. Right now is right at resistance. 221.50. Even 222 could be resistance there. On what? 135, 130? On what? Okay, I like that hold. Looks pretty clean so far. On what stock? IWM 130 is too far. Oh yeah, I read about that. Yeah, you're right. I read about that. That it should be, if Trump wins, it should be very good for small businesses, right? Yep. Apple, it's been a little bit weak. We need Apple to hold the VWAP. Man, IWM just keeps going higher. Harry is good for small businesses. I don't know how, but okay, let's not talk about that. Video is just not doing anything. Okay, we need Apple to hold here, the VWAP. I want to see SPY holding here, and I want to see the Q holding here also. Yeah, quick scalp could be a good reaction play. Yeah, definitely. But you're going against the strongest stock right now. So if you are aware of that and you understand how to trade against the trend, go for it. Nice bounce on Apple, nice bounce on Nvidia, nice bounce on SPY and the Q. I don't like that move. SPY could go lower and try to touch the VWAP. We'll see. Nice bounce on Meta. We could be making a little flag here. Same thing on the Q. Let me take these out because I cannot see anything. Just turn off after hours. Easy. I'm pretty sure you by yourself could have answered that. If you know you cannot see it because you have after hours, yours turn off after hours chart. Beautiful, beautiful breakout. clean. Pretty clean. Give me more. Give me more. Hello. Apple very clean bounce out of the VWAP. I think as long as we keep holding this little support or the VWAP on SPY and support here on the Q, the market is pretty bullish. Clean 221.50 rejection on IWM. Nice hold on Nvidia right now. Meta looking pretty good. Let's see if SPY is gonna hold the VWAP. If not, we're just gonna go lower, maybe to 570 again. Definitely looks like we're flagging here. Yes, I'm long. I'm long. Yeah, I like this trade. This trade is looking pretty clean. Today, I think it's all about patience because we got a very choppy here, but here we're holding support, guys. We're holding support. It's just like today I feel like yes, it's holding support, but at the same time I need to be careful on an ugly reaction. But if we see the chart for what it is, besides, I think I'm like that because I'm kind of biased and I think that the market's gonna just chop around, do nothing. That's what I have in my mind. When in reality, we can see how it's been clean. Like we hold support, we pull back, hold support, we break the VWAP, hold support, we break these resistance, we're holding it as support. So as if we only see the chart and we take out whatever we feel or we think it's gonna happen, the market is pretty bullish. Pull down, hold support, break the VWAP, holding on as support. We break this resistance, holding it as support, and we're just making higher highs and higher lows. And on the 30-minute time frame, on the daily, both SPY and the Q are looking pretty bullish. Nvidia, it's been doing nothing at all today. Next big level to watch out on SPY and the Q are Friday high. It's around, for the Q, it's around 490.50, 490.80, and Friday high and Thursday high for SPY. Anyone on this trade? This trade was so clean. Nvidia looks like it's waking up. Nice. You took it on NQ and QQQ. Are you gonna swing QQQ? I'm thinking on buying calls on SPY for Wednesday. just thinking that Trump is gonna win. It's kind of like a YOLO play. I'm already betting on Trump, but I kind of want to see. I think if Trump really wins, I think the market just gonna rip. Monday, Thursday is. I'm sorry, on Wednesday. Wednesday is on the 7th, right? Yeah, I think, yeah, IV 29%. Like the SPY calls, 573 calls for Wednesday is under 30% IV, so it's not bad at all. I'm selling premium on DJT because I got in on Friday and the IV was, I think it was over 400%. So I'm selling premium there. I'm selling puts on DJT. But the chart looks very bullish. The premium is too high on DJT to buy calls. I think, well, I thought it was better to sell puts. If it goes against me and just, I'm gonna get exercise and just gonna buy shares at 30, which I don't think is bad at all. The IV right now is over 600%. That's too much. It's not worth it. I think it's buying SPY is way better. The 580 calls for a SPY on Wednesday or Thursday could be a good. It's definitely very high risk, but I do like it. The IV is a little bit over 27%. I always sell premium. I just don't talk about it because I don't wanna like babysit those positions. But every time we have anything big coming up, just take advantage of selling premium. I'm selling puts. It means that I want DJT to go higher, not lower. I'm selling puts. I have it weekly. I have naked put for this week and I have some spreads for next week. Yeah, you need a big account to sell puts. Naked puts or naked calls. Okay, I got the 590 for Friday on Spy. It's a high risk play. It's a elections play. So if you do not want to lose money, do not take this. I have no stop loss there. Dun, 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 dun. Market always liked Trump, always. Yeah, the IV there is pretty high. That's why I'm selling premium. You want to take advantage of that premium. What red candles? These two. So basically this trade, what I said is I think the market is bullish as long as we keep holding this support. That's it. As long as SPY and the Q keep making higher highs and higher lows, holding support, previous resistance as support, I'm bullish. Unless I see a change of trend or the Q losing this support, I'm just gonna keep holding. No reason for me to sell. The only thing that I see is like I should be taking profits because again, I don't trust this market. But we see like Apple having a great bounce out of the VWAP. We see Nvidia looking like it wants to boom boom. We see SPY holding support. We see the Q holding support. So far, nothing for me is saying that the market is bearish. So yeah, that's basically how I trade, guys. Like, if I don't see any reason that the market is bearish, or I don't see like on this trade the Q losing support, I don't see a reason to be 100% out. I could definitely see a reason why I should take profits at this high. Because I don't think today and tomorrow are days to really trust the market. I think we can have crazy candles out of nowhere, especially tomorrow with so much news that it's gonna come tomorrow. But yeah, so far we look pretty bullish. How many charts? I have one here. Well, it depends. Like how many stocks I'm watching on, or how many charts, because only on what you guys see here on SpandeQ, those are 6 charts already. And then I'm watching Apple, Microsoft, Nvidia, and Meta. And I have ES and NQ, even though I don't really use ES and NQ. Because I think for me it's more than enough SpandeQ, but I do have it open. Mostly I'm watching SpandeQ, Nvidia, Apple, Microsoft, and Meta. Those are the ones that I trust and I trade with. Nvidia is looking pretty good. Looks like it wants to go to 140. Pretty much consolidated the entire morning, and the bigger the consolidation, the bigger the boom boom. But I don't know how is the volume today. Most likely it's very low. I don't think I think smart traders are not trading today. So I don't know. Yeah, right now SPYs, we're both are holding. Yeah, like I will say just watch SpandeQ. Last week I only had one screen and I was trading only watching SpandeQ. And it was fine, it was okay. I didn't need Microsoft, Apple, Nvidia, and Meta charts to trade. Okay, let's see if the Q is gonna boom boom here. Needs to break this high. We need to break this high. Come on. Okay, I like that. I'm gonna start. I sold everything. No, I wanted to sell just a little bit. Dang it. Shoot. I just wanted to take partial profits. No. Dang it. Well, I have my funded features here. So dang it. Freaking ooh. I only wanted to sell like 3 or 4 contracts. Not all of them. Nvidia waking up, the market moving now. $490, a little bit on the 490 is the next little resistance that I see here. These are 3 of the 25 K straight to funded account on my funded futures, which I love my funded futures. I think my funded futures is the best platform if you're just starting trading futures. And now you can buy straight to funded accounts with them. So pretty good deal. It's not cheap, but it's definitely worth it. You're not gonna have any trouble whatsoever with your payment, and your payments are gonna be in your bank account in like 2 days. What are the rules? It depends what account you choose, so pick one. My recommendation right now is the new 25K straight to funded account with my funded futures. I know, I wanted to hold this move. We could have another entry here. If SPY goes lower again, we could have another trade to the upside. Yes, you can trade on my fund the futures on TradingView. It's just on TradingView. I don't think you can copy trade. You need to trade one by one. The thing is, like, with new prop firms, you need to be careful because I think it's just better. Like, okay, so this is what I would do. I will go straight to the top 3, top 5 accounts, prop firms. Make some money there, and then after you get payments, you're comfortable trading futures, you understand that you need to follow rules on each and every single one of those prop firms, and then you made enough money that you can gamble a little bit with new prop firms, because new prop firms can disappear, can take your money and disappear, and poof, bye bye. But if you have enough money, if you made enough money from the top 5, top 3 prop firms in the business, you can go and gamble a little bit and try new prop firms. If not, just if you're new on this, go with my funded futures. You don't want to put a bunch of money on a new prop firm like FTT that is having so much trouble paying. They had such an easy way to make money that now they cannot pay their customers, pretty much. So you don't want to deal with that. SPY needs to hold here. If cannot hold the VWAP, is done so. I guess my mistake of selling everything on Apex, it was a good mistake. We'll see. 1 second here. Whoop, whoop, whoop. It's fine to hold there. Hmm. Okay, nice hold here so far on SPY. The thing is, like, Apple is looking weak, needs to hold the view up. Microsoft not looking too good. Okay, I like that hold. Apple is looking weak. I don't like that. Ooh, I don't like that. I'm out. I don't like that move. Did I get fake out? Maybe. Okay, guys, I'm done. I'm done for today. I'm over 10K with Apex. Little red day here with my funded futures. I did not trade anything on Tradeify. But I'm done for today. Yeah, I'm like 12K or 13K up on Apex. The straight to funded account, yeah, I know it can be a little bit confusing. Okay, so it's called milestone, I think. So is this one milestone on 100K, the 50K, this one here, and the 25K. I like this one. 25K, definitely good. Love this one. And I was trading with 3 of these ones. Yeah, I know. But yeah, the milestone 25K. If you want to trade with bigger size, go for the 50K. Obviously, you're gonna pay more for it, but I think if you're patient enough, the 25K is more than enough. Like, it's good. It's called milestone. But yeah, guys, I'm done. I'll see you mañana. Be careful. If you're green, get out of here. Thank you for being here. Bye.